So you can turn your Ninja V into a 4-channel switcher with a monitor and a recorder for $400.
That's insane.
Remember Atomos?
Oh, I do like Atomos.
Yeah, you know, Ninja V and...
Atomos, they're like the cool boys to me.
Yeah, and they're kind of like... They're the kind of cool that just don't care. Whatever.
Yeah.
So we like.
Yeah, they just drop cool bombs everywhere.
They dropped a real cool bomb this week that has gone, I'm going to say, unnoticed, which has really shocked me.
I've not noticed anything, so
I
would agree.
Okay, so they've released a product called the Atomos X Cast.
X-Cast?
X-Cast. X-Cast. That was the wrong button inside.
You know, we were just saying they're cool.
Yeah.
X-Cast.
X.
Sounds like a porn channel.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? Atomos have released a porn channel.
Which is kind of cool. So, good on them.
Well done,
I told
Atomos.
you they were cool.
Yeah, they're great. No, it's not a porn channel. It is mind-blowing, okay?
Blow my mind, AJ.
Well, okay. You've got an Atomos Ninja V.
Right, thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, it can record 4K HDMI input. Most cameras will allow you to record ProRes RAW into it now as well. It's just a phenomenal touchscreen monitor and recorder together.
Yeah.
They have released an add-on to the Ninja V.
I don't like add-ons.
It's only 400 quid.
Okay, I might like it.
That allows you to connect your Ninja V into the expansion slot of this Atomos X Cast and then receive 4 simultaneous HDMI inputs.
Upsell me, AJ.
That allows you to switch between each 4. So it becomes a 4-channel switcher, your Atomos Ninja V, with a USB-C and a HDMI output. The USB-C will connect to any computer and show as a webcam. So
I see where you're going.
You can record
Hence the name.
Switched output, X-Cast, so you could stream it. The HDMI obviously allows you to record your switched, finished show. You have overlays that you can program in, transitions that are pre-programmed in there when you switch between shows.
That's awesome.
So you can turn your Ninja V into a 4-channel switcher with a monitor and a recorder for $400.
That's insane.
They're selling it as a bundle as well, so I think it's $900 or $999. A bundle if you haven't already got Ninja V or you want a new one. Ninja V and the X-Cast together.
That's really exciting.
So it's really exciting. They've seen the Atom Mini from Blackmagic and gone, we need to do something about that.
This is definitely a rip-off from Blackmagic. Not a rip-off, maybe there's some differences there, but I can see how they've done it. So first of all, it was clearly an upsell. Here's something else.
Yeah.
But I think that's because it's a way that they can build on their technology. So here's an upsell for the current models.
Yeah.
But it gives me a lot of excitement for what their future models are going to be that can have this integrated. Which is going to look a lot more stunning. I don't like the whole add-on kind of rig.
To be fair to them, they've done it in a pretty seamless style. So the Atomos Ninja V slides into the X-Cast, so it sits around it, and you have your 4 switches under the screen.
Oh, so real nice and tidy.
Yeah, it's done with style, but I hear you. Add-ons do always have a bit of a slightly DIY feel to them.
Yeah, it doesn't immediately appeal. But for what you'll be able to produce with that's incredible.
Simultaneously record
multicam shoot
and stream your multicam shoot. Yeah, picture-in-picture if you want as well.
They're cool,
really,
and with a porno name.
It's double cool.
Yeah,
Atomos with the double cool
for 400 more.
Yeah, that's pretty epic.
Yeah, and they don't really need to do stuff.
No.
The stuff they've already got is working. It's great.
And all the camera companies advertise it for them.
Yeah, because what they're doing is cool.
Yeah.
So they've got it really sussed.
I'm just shocked that we're not seeing more excitement around that.
Yeah, what is that about?
The same with the Atom Mini.
Like
there was no excitement around it.
The swan of marketing, aren't they?
Yeah, Blackmagic and Atomos don't get the love that they should, because they push boundaries and price points down.
Yeah,
boundaries up, price points down.
I've not even come across that yet, so that's stealth.
Literally, the press release kind of went into my inbox. It stumbled upon it by accident, because normally press releases from Atomos are like firmware updates and stuff. I was like Xcast, and like you, I thought it was a porno, so I was like, oh, I go click on this.
Yeah, dodgy link. That'll get me a virus.
Yeah. Oh, what thought they've been hacked
again?
And I thought here we're going to be talking about again for the 5th time.
Those damn links.
AJ, have you been clicking on the links again? Yeah. So $399 coming out in July, which is next month, or I think it's $999 now with the Ninja V, which actually is the same price as them together. Because they're 600 new, aren't they? So
that's a couple of big hitters next month. Then you could couple that with the Nikon release.
You could
pair it up with your new Nikon camera.
You could buy 4 Nikon ZFCs.
Yeah.
And an Atomos X Cast.
Yeah.
And have, for $5,000, have a multicam studio.
That's retro looking and cool. Because you've got the Atomos thing.
When you consider it actually like that.
Yeah, it's a cheap price.
Technology still blows my mind, that. So, a full switchable multicam live studio
ridiculous
for $5,000.
Yeah.
Well, there's no lights and microphones.
No, but if you were starting out and you needed all the kit,
yeah,
that's the way to go.